Download software from the official Softwarebro website. Plug in the USB drive and you will immediately see it in the top drop-down menu. When you see the drive, press the Select button. In the Browse window, navigate to the place where you saved the ISO file, select it and click Open. In my case, I wanted to create a bootable Ubuntu USB drive. I chose the Ubuntu ISO. You can choose the ISO of your choice. Select Ember in the partition scheme drop-down list and BIOS or UEFI in the target system drop-down list. If you are trying to use this bootable USB drive on an older system, check Add Repair to Old Basic IO System under Advanced Drive Properties. You can change the name of the USB drive using the volume label field. Also, in the Advanced Format Options section, make sure that Quick Format is checked. As the name implies, Quick Format formats the drive faster by skipping the check for bad sectors. Click the Start button. Depending on the ISO file, Rufus may prompt you to download additional files. For example, to create an Ubuntu boot disk, Rufus will prompt you to download the latest version of syslinux. Just click Yes and Rufus will take care of everything. When prompted next, select the recommended option, write in ISO image mode and press the OK button. You may also see a warning that the disk is being formatted. Click OK. As soon as you click the button, Rufus starts creating a bootable USB drive. Depending on the USB drive, the creation process may take several minutes. After completion, you will not see a completion message, but you will hear a completion sound and the progress bar will turn completely green. That's all. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.